Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting data. Backup call and app logs to cloud or a PC because you may need to restore later. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging. This gives you access to system logging tools. Make sure to note the exact app versions and OS build, since behavior differs across releases. Connect the phone to your computer, trust the device prompt, and prepare the command line tool or log viewer you will use next. Now capture logs in real time using a dblogcat or the phone's log viewer. This records system and app events as they occur. Then apply targeted filters by app package name, severity level, or timestamp, so you focus on relevant entries rather than noise. Once you see the issue reproduced, save the filtered output to a timestamped file. This preserves context and allows iterative checks. If you need to reproduce, clear logs first and repeat the exact steps that trigger the error. With saved logs, search for repeating error codes or stack traces. Those point to root causes. Once identified, apply the fix. Update the app, adjust permissions, uninstall conflicting apps, or clear the specific cache rather than wiping everything. After implementing changes, reproduce the scenario and capture new logs to verify normal behavior. If issues persist, one key troubleshooting tip: roll back the change or restore your backup. Then isolate variables by changing one setting at a time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.